In 2020, an AI system solved a problem that had stumped biology for 50 years. Then, its creators gave the answer to the entire world for free. Proteins are the molecules that do essentially everything in biology: catalyze reactions, carry signals, build structures, fight pathogens. A protein's function is determined by its three-dimensional shape, which is in turn determined by its amino acid sequence. The protein folding problem was this: given a protein sequence of amino acids, predict its three-dimensional structure. It seemed like a straightforward computational problem. 50 years of work by biochemists and computational biologists proved otherwise. A small protein of 100 amino acids has an astronomical number of possible conformations. The search space is effectively infinite. Experimental methods, X-ray crystallography, cryo-electron microscopy, could determine structures with high accuracy, but each protein took months to years and cost anywhere from tens of thousands to over $1 million. By 2020, the protein databank contained roughly 180,000 structures, accumulated over 5 decades of worldwide effort. DeepMind entered the CASP competition, Critical Assessment of Protein Structure Prediction, in 2020 with AlphaFold2. It predicted structures with accuracy matching experimental methods. The field called it transformative. Then DeepMind did something unexpected. They released the AlphaFold2 source code openly and made predicted structures for every known protein in the human genome freely downloadable, then expanded to all proteins in 48 model organisms, then to over 200 million protein structures, covering nearly every protein sequence known to science, for free. Researchers who had spent careers trying to solve structures of disease-relevant proteins found their targets solved overnight. Proteins previously considered undruggable because their structures were unknown became tractable targets for drug development. Diseases with no viable treatment candidates suddenly had molecular targets to work from. The AlphaFold database has been accessed by over 2 million researchers worldwide. Drug pipelines that would have taken a decade to advance past protein characterization were compressed into months. The 2 lead AlphaFold researchers, Demis Hassabis and John Jumper, received the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. It is arguably the most consequential single AI application in the history of medicine, and it was given away for free. Follow for more AI breakthrough facts.